Hi Adam, so I added you on ClickUp. I just need you to accept the invitation, and once you have accepted the invitation, you'd see Dantech as one of the projects. I'll also invite you to the Nantian Temple project as soon as we're ready to continue working on their project. So basically, instead of doing Skype where you type in the messages, we'd like to create a process wherein you send your updates here. So for example, you have an update for today, you'll just 07 2020 updates. You just press enter there, and then this is your task. This is where you put in your description. Um, if there are multiple items for the task, then you can create your subtask. So for example subtask. Then you press enter, you click on that, and then here you can put in your description. Here you can send your screenshots. So for example, let me do a print screen here, and I want to send that. I copy that and then I paste it here and then I send. You can also chat with team members here. So for example, you want to chat with Alex. Okay, Alex, can this be done? Is Alright, so here you can assign the people you want to work on the project or the task. So for example, if you want to assign it to me, or you can also put on your due date or the due date for the task. So for example, you want the task done today, then just put the date and then close. Right. The big thing here is to make sure that the main task is assigned to someone. So either assign the task to me or Alexi, so we get a notification on our end. Please let me know if you have any questions regarding this process. Have a great day. Bye bye.